I'm going to one-shot the most realistic voice agent the world has ever seen in a single prompt. Because we have AI coding agents at our service, and before they realize they can take over, we're going to build a Roomba dating service voice agent that collects user details. I'll share the entire prompt for free in my Discord. This prompt will produce a project folder with a voice agent and a website to talk to it. For this, we will use Claude Code, but you can use any coding assistant. For voice, we'll use livekit, one of the biggest voice AI companies out there. They recently posted 3 blog articles of interest. The first one is a prompt guide for making voice agents sound more human. The second is on voice agent skills for coding assistants. And the third is on Agent UI to build pretty front-end voice AI designs. I'll link each of these in this video's description. If it isn't obvious by now, we're going to combine all 3 articles in our prompt and let her run. Let's jump into our terminal and start up Claude Code. All right, we're gonna run Claude. All right, and then we're gonna grab the prompt. Now, before I enter the prompt, you're gonna first need to sign up for a free livekit account and do just a couple of things. I'll put those steps in the video description, but let's run the prompt. All right, pasted and go. You can see the prompt here, at least part of it. Again, I'll provide the prompt for free in my Discord. All right, it cooked for just under 10 minutes. I hope it works. Let's jump into the project's README file. Okay, we opened up the project's README file. We have the title of our project. We have a kind of brief description, project overview, some setup, and how to run it. So let's see if it works. It looks like we'll just try to run each of these services. We'll run the agent and then we'll run the front end. So we'll just open the terminal. We can go back to where we were with Claude, but we'll just run it in this cursor terminal. So let's just run pnpm dev agent. Oh yeah, all right, it's working, it's working. So now we'll need to open up another terminal and run pnpm dev front end. Okay, now we'll run pnpm dev front end. It's working. I never doubted it. All right, so now let's go to the localhost 3000. All right, oh hey, I already had it on localhost 3000. Sweet, cool. Wow, so romantic. So, well, let's see if when we talk to it, it needs to take our name and it needs to take our email address. And it needs to sound realistic, like the blog article went through. So let's see how it goes.
Hey there! Welcome to Roomba Dating. I just need to grab a couple quick details from you. So, what's your name?
Hey, yeah, sure. My name is Kyle.
Kyle, cool. And what's your email?
My email is kyle@example.com.
Thanks, Kyle. I'll start hunting down your perfect Roomba match right away. Catch you later.
Wow, and it ended the call. Oh, okay. So what do you guys think? The best voice AI agent ever created in the world? Definitely. Let's jump into the logs real quick to see if it captured our email. And we can see, yeah, it captured this email here, kyle@example.com, and it captured my name right there. Perfect. Cool. Well, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment. If you want the entire prompt that I used, jump into my Discord. We could chat up there and I'll have it there for free. So cool, yeah. See ya.